This is Coach Lahr, and today we're going to be talking about basic aquarium maintenance. This is a key skill for an aquatic science student. The first key to aquarium maintenance is waste control. In nature, animals and plants live in open ecosystems. There is a flow of nutrients in and out of the environment, and because of that, waste is not so much an issue because it moves through cycles. In our aquariums, animals and plants live in closed ecosystems. Basically, they serve as a large toilet for the aquatic organisms. Because of this, we have to take special precautions to make sure that waste does not become a major issue. Population density is the first one of those precautions. When we return from Galveston, you will be limited in how many organisms you're allowed to put in your tank. You might want to put 15 fish, 5 crabs, and 3 sea anemones in one tank. However, that will not work from a population density standpoint. We will limit it to 8 organisms or fewer, and they will be of similar species. So fish will be with fish, crabs will be with crabs, etc. In a natural system, population density is much lower than in an aquarium. That's why we have to be especially cautious and make sure that we do not overload our aquariums and create way too much waste product that cannot be removed through natural systems. Partial water changes will be key. They are the single most important factor for a successful aquarium. We will try to do a partial water change every 2 to 3 weeks. Sometimes we will remove some water. Sometimes we will just add water. It will depend on what I tell you on that day and how much salt we have. In a natural environment, water is constantly being cycled, and therefore it is not something that is changed. It's changed all the time. We don't have that natural system, so it is something that we will have to take care of. Filtration, that will be your filter on the side of the aquarium. It helps to remove solid waste. It helps to aerate the water, which means to add oxygen. As the filter moves, it's going to create bubbles. It's going to add oxygen to the water, and then your fish and your crabs and your aquatic organisms breathe in that water or breathe in that oxygen from the water.